Sunlight fills the kitchen, illuminating dancing dust motes, as she thoughtfully observes the autumn day. She gathers fresh vegetables, her movements gentle and deliberate, preparing to make a warming soup. Chopped vegetables are scooped into a large pot. Steam begins to rise, hinting at the warmth to come. A hand gently stirs the simmering soup. Bubbles form. Steam rises in soft, undulating wisps. She delicately picks fresh herb sprigs from a small ceramic bowl, adding a touch of vibrant green. An herb leaf descends onto the soup, creating a tiny ripple, catching the warm light beautifully. The soup simmers, its color deepening, texture softening, filling the kitchen with a comforting aroma. The young woman taste tests the soup, her eyes lighting up with satisfied perfection. A contented nod. A hand turns off the stove knob. The flame vanishes with a satisfying puff, signaling completion. Beautifully plated soup in a ceramic bowl, gentle steam rising, vibrant and appetizing, promising comfort. She places the soup bowl, then arranges simple items for a peaceful meal, her hands moving with care. She takes her first spoonful of soup, eyes closing in pure satisfaction, a subtle sparkle appearing.
This soup is wonderful.
It really is. Perfect for a night like this.
Gently in the night sky, framed by the
Her partner pulls a soft blanket over them, creating a warm, cozy cocoon of shared comfort. She rests her head on his shoulder, eyes closed, in deep peace and shared tranquility.
A small lantern flickers, casting dancing shadows, creating a peaceful, dreamy ambiance for the night. She switches off the lantern, light fading, plunging the room into soft moonlight, marking a peaceful transition.
The bedroom is bathed in soft moonlight, figures peaceful under.
First rays of dawn filter through the window, painting the room with soft, cool hues and dancing dust. She slowly opens her eyes, a gentle smile forming, reflecting peace and readiness for the day ahead.
Hands pour hot coffee into ceramic mugs, a rich aroma and delicate steam rising, signaling the day's start.
This coffee is perfect this morning.
Everything is perfect.
It's such a lovely day. Her partner holds her hand across the table, fingers intertwining, reflecting deep affection and connection.
Couple stands by the open window, holding hands.
A vibrant red autumn leaf gently twirls and falls, landing softly on the grass, highlighting season's beauty.